Ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng PS na nakikita natin sa ating mga mohon? Tara, pag-usapan natin. Hello guys, this is Engineer Earl Dolmatico, your engineering and surveying partner. In land surveying, mohon is a Filipino term that refers to a landmark, a boundary point marker, or a lot corner monument. Originally, this term ay nanggaling po sa Spanish word na mohon, which is spelled M-O-J-O-N, introduced during the colonial period. So what is the purpose of this mohon? The purpose of this mohon is to define the limits of a certain property or a parcel of land. Ito ay para malaman natin yung extent ng lote natin, yung boundaries ng ating mga lote. This is to prevent boundary disputes sa ating mga kapitbahay, sa mga neighboring lot owners. So ngayon, ano naman ang ibig sabihin ng PS? So ang sabi nila, ang ibig sabihin daw ng PS ay pag-aawayan soon, pag-aagawan soon, paninirahan ng mga squatters. So based po sa DENR, Department Memorandum Circular number 2010-13 or commonly known as DMC 10-13, ang ibig pong sabihin ng survey symbol na PS ay private surveys. Ibig pong sabihin, pag may PS po na nakalagay sa mohon na yan, ang nag-establish po ng mohon na yan is a private surveyor or a private geodetic engineer. Kasi meron din po tayong mga government geodetic engineers and iba din po yung ginagamit nila na survey symbol sa kanilang mga survey projects. To name some, meron tayong nakitang BL, which means Bureau of Land under the DENR. Meron din tayong nakitang AR, which is Agrarian Reform under DAR or the Department of Agrarian Reform. This is to mark the lots that will be distributed to qualified beneficiaries. Meron din tayong nakitang mga PLS, which means Public Land Subdivision Survey. So marami pang iba pero hindi na natin i-discuss lahat. So now, paano naman ang tamang paghati ng mga mohon? For example, we have a rectangular lot na may mga interior angle sila na more or less 90 degrees. So kung i-zoom in natin yung corner 1, we can see na yung portion lang pala natin sa mohon is just a quarter circle or 1/4 lang ng area ng circle. And the same din sa corner number 2, makikita natin na 1/4 lang din ng area ng mohon yung portion natin. So the rest of the area na hindi nasali sa ating property ay pagmamay-ari na po ng neighboring lot owners. So that's it for today and marami pa tayong pag-uusapan. If you have questions, additional information, or topics that you'd like us to discuss, please feel free to comment down below and pag-uusapan natin yan. So stay tuned and God bless.